This is something that allowed me to make over $400,000 last year by working 4 hours a month on it. It's proven. I've done 17, and you're gonna listen now because I'm giving it away. I've done 17 in-person masterminds that allow me to make over 400,000 last year. So this is what I want to share. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a closer, a setter, it doesn't matter if you're CSM, a sales manager, or a business owner. What is the most important thing that you can do is have connections, contact lists, Rolodex. Be the person of interest. Be that person that everyone wants to know, because it doesn't matter if you have no skill sets and the only skill that you have is the ability to introduce one person to another. You can make so much money. So this 6-week live challenge is going to be step by step, week by week training, live training, coaching, and accountability for you to launch your first in-person mastermind. It doesn't matter if you have nothing to sell. I'm going to show you and break down how you can create your own affiliates, how you can start getting business owners into your database, how you can find problems. Because if you're a closer, what do we do as closers? Super simple. We find problems and we solve problems. So what if all of a sudden there's a way where you can get 20, 30, 40, 50 business owners into a room at the same time and have a very strategic way where not only can you be the authority, get comfortable and speaking in stage, but everyone wants to get to know you because of your contact list. And on top of that, it becomes an event so successful that everybody wants to attend. I'm not going to give too much away. Click the link. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually start your first in-person mastermind in less than 6 weeks. It's a no-brainer. So if you are ready, if you want to start making stupid amounts of money, making more money outside of closing than in closing, or than setter, or if you're a sales coach, or even if you have your own business and you want to start getting a good bunch of people together and make money from it, this is for you. Again, it's a 6-week challenge to launch your first in-person mastermind. So what do you need to do? Click the link below, join, and I'll see you there.